how to make self-watering planters using these takeaway. When we get food from a restaurant, we get these takeaway containers. We're going to reuse them. So for this, we'll be needing a big container and a small container. We'll keep the big container aside for some time, and in the small container, we need a container which will go inside the big container. So for the small container, we'll need to make a hole. So for this, I've taken the screwdriver and I've heated it up, and I'll just press it and it will make a hole. I had put it near the candle, so it was warm enough, so it's made a hole. I use a screwdriver so that I can get a nice round hole for this, and I'm using an old shoelace, so I'll put it inside this. I'll cut this part. You can use a rope, you can use a jute twine, anything that you have at home. And now I'll put some mud. If you want, you can put some pebbles down. This is optional. It's not going to show anyway. And then you take mud. I've used garden soil, 80% and 20% compost in this. And we'll keep the rope a little up. We'll put some mud. And then we will, where we're going to put the roots, we'll keep the rope there. I'll pull it a little bit more and I'll keep it here. And I'll take a plant of you can put a plant of your choice. I'm putting money plant here. So put the roots and keep putting the mud. Place it well, place the plant very well. And now, once this is done, we'll nicely put water in this. We need to water it very well. So we'll put water. So we'll put water, and once it is nicely soaked, this mud is nicely soaked, then we will take water in this big container. Now we don't want to fill it too much. We'll put little water, and then we'll put this inside and we'll keep it. The water should not touch this bowl. It should be below. So we can add little more water here. And we need to water this very well. Now this rope will get wet and it will pull the water up, and it will keep this plant, give water to the plant near the roots. This has to be nicely damp. And once it's done, it'll look like this. Now if you want, you can color this container and like this and keep it inside. I'll just show it. It'll look something like this. But I wanted it just plain, so I made it like this so that I can, whenever I want, I can change or do whatever I want. And if you want, you can put some pebbles here inside in this. Optional. It's optional. And if you have a nice pot, you can put this inside the pot. So if you're traveling, at least these plants will get some water and they won't die. And there's another way that I do is, see, I have a cup, and I've used again this small container, which we get some chutney or sauce inside. So I've used this again. Instead of just throwing this, I've made this into a self-watering planter, and I've put water inside this cup, and I like to keep it like this. So you can just make it any way you want. You can color it, but keep the outside one transparent so you can have a check on the water. And You can put pebbles here. I don't like it because I like to loosen up the mud in between, say in a week or so, and so I can add little compost whenever I want. So this is how I do it. I hope you like my video, and you can reuse all these containers. Instead of just throwing, you can reuse all these containers. And do tune in again, and I'll come up with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.